Are you better at picking stocks than us? Let's find out.
Brian and I have partnered with StockCard.io to launch a fun new stock picking contest for 2022.
Brian and I each created a new 5-stock portfolio that we think will outperform the market from here.
Your goal is to create a 5-stock portfolio that you think will crush our portfolio's returns during the year.
Whoever's portfolio performs the best in 2022 will win $1,000 in cash. Thanks to StockCard.io for sponsoring today's video. All right, Brian, what's the first stock in your portfolio this year?
Unity Software is my first stock, and I have a couple reasons for choosing this. First of all, this is a company that has a platform that helps gamers build games, but even more so looking forward, this is going to be integral in the building of the metaverse. Second, I love this company's business model. They have operate and create subscription revenue. One is a flat fee, the other is usage-based, and I love when those two are married together. And third, this company has strong financials. Lots of cash, not much debt, and the potential for really strong free cash flow.
Well, I'm not picking Unity Software for my portfolio. This is a stock that both of us actually own, Brian.
It is, and it's not hard to see why. This company scores really well on both of our investing frameworks.
Sure does.
Well, Brian, what's your first stock?
I'm going to start it off with Pinterest, ticker symbol PINS. This is a company that I've liked essentially since it came public. Why? First off, this is a founder-led business. I love to invest in founder-led companies. Secondly, this company's financials are fantastic. High margin, profitable, free cash flow positive. And third, and most importantly, this company's market cap is only about $25 billion. When you compare that to some other social networking companies, they're much bigger. I think there's plenty of room for Pinterest to catch up to them.
So it should be no surprise that this is a stock that you own and I don't, but that's not because I don't like it.
Yeah, this company actually scores really well on both of our investing frameworks. All right, Brian, what's next for you?
The next stock that I have is Sea Limited, whose operations are mainly in Southeast Asia. Now, there are 3 parts to this company, but I'm really in it for the long term because of Shopee, the e-commerce site, and Sea Money, the payment site. The third section, which is the gaming section called Garena, is what pays the bills for now, especially with their big hit game, Free Fire. I'm okay with it paying the bills for now, but it doesn't interest me in the long term. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the wide moats that this company has in terms of switching costs, brand value, network effect, and even low cost production.
Now, this is a company that you own and have been very bullish on ever since we first researched it. I haven't been smart enough to buy shares, but that doesn't mean it doesn't score well on my system. It gets a middle of the road score, but this scores very well on your checklist.